In today's video, I'm going to teach you iPhone tricks you didn't know existed. Did you know that with over 1.5 billion iPhone users worldwide, most people are only using about 20% of their device's capabilities? Your iPhone is packed with hidden features that can save you time, boost your productivity, and change how you use your phone every single day. Let's unlock these secrets together. Today, we're diving into the hidden tricks Apple tucked into your iPhone. These aren't just fun extras, they're powerful tools that enhance everyday use, streamline your workflow, and make life easier. Whether you've used iPhone for years or just switched from Android, these tips can transform how you interact with your device. Here's the thing, most people miss these gems because they're buried in settings you might never open. You might be typing long messages when voice shortcuts or smarter text tools could do the heavy lifting. You might be digging through photos when your phone can search text inside images. Maybe you're manually toggling settings all day when your iPhone could adapt automatically to where you are. And with the average user spending over 5 hours a day on their phone, small efficiencies add up fast. Knowing what's already built in can reduce friction and make your device work harder for you. Let's start with Back Tap. Head to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, then Back Tap. Set a double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to trigger actions like screenshots, opening the flashlight, launching shortcuts, and more. It's like hidden buttons you can map to what you use most. Next, your keyboard is secretly a trackpad. Press and hold the spacebar to slide the cursor precisely through text. While in that mode, tap with a second finger to select text instantly. It's a game changer for editing on the go. For battery health, turn on optimized battery charging in Settings under Battery. It learns your charging routine to reduce wear over time. On newer models, Adaptive Power Mode uses on-device intelligence to dial performance up or down based on your usage, squeezing out extra life with minimal impact. Live Text is another powerhouse. Point your camera at signs, recipes, or documents, then tap to copy, translate, or call numbers right from the viewfinder or any photo. No typing required. The biggest upgrade? Focus modes with location-based automation. In Settings, choose Focus and Create modes for work, personal, sleep, whatever you need.
Add location automation, so work mode turns on at the office, silencing personal alerts and showing only work apps. Switch to fitness at the gym with your workout essentials ready, then back to personal at home. Your iPhone becomes a smart assistant that adapts to your context automatically. So, there you have it. Back tap for shortcuts, the keyboard trackpad for precise edits, battery features that protect longevity, live text for instant capture, and focus modes that match your life. Which trick are you trying first? Drop a comment and share your favorites with the community. If this helped, stick around for the next video with even more iPhone tips and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching and happy exploring!